In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam games that won't launch properly. If you've ever experienced the frustration of trying to play a game only for it to crash or fail to start, you're not alone. But don't worry, we'll go through a few simple steps to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve these issues quickly. First, let's make sure you have the Steam app open. Once you're in, look for the login button. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Go ahead and click sign in to access your account dashboard, which will bring you to the Steam homepage. Once there, you'll want to navigate to your library where all your games are stored. Find the game that's giving you trouble and right click on its title. This will open a context menu where you'll select properties. Now look for the tab labelled Installed Files. This is where we'll check the integrity of the game files. Click the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan the game files and repair any corrupt or missing files, which often resolves launch issues. If this doesn't solve the issue, head back to your main Steam window and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Downloads section. Here you'll see an option to clear download cache. Selecting this option will clear any temporary files associated with downloads that might be causing the glitch. Do note that this will require you to restart Steam and log back in afterwards. In the event that both these methods don't work, there's another trick you can try. Right click on the Steam app shortcut on your desktop and choose Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab where you'll want to check a couple of settings. First, make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is selected. This can sometimes interfere with how the game interacts with your computer's graphic settings. Also, ensure that you have Run this program as administrator checked. This gives Steam the necessary permissions to run all required processes without interruption. Don't forget to click Apply, then OK to save these settings. And there you have it. A few simple yet effective steps to troubleshoot and fix Steam games that won't launch properly. If these methods do not resolve your issue, it might be worthwhile to reach out to Steam support for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.